Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Confirm both devices share the same Wi-Fi and that your LG TV supports Chromecast built-in or Miracast. Once done, update WebOS and your phone OS so protocols match. Next, enable screen share on the TV and unlock your phone. Open Settings Connected Devices Cast or launch Google Home. This initiates discovery and lets the phone search for available displays. Make sure notifications and location are enabled because device discovery often depends on those permissions. Once the TV appears, tap it to connect. If prompted, choose Screencast for full mirroring or App Cast to send only video from supported apps. Make sure the TV input is set correctly and confirm any pairing PIN shown on the TV. If you need higher quality, change the phone's cast resolution in the app or use the Chromecast settings in Google Home. Also check phone orientation and volume. Audio routes through the TV once the stream establishes, so set levels now to avoid surprises. To finish, stop casting from the phone's quick settings or Google Home. That cleanly ends the session and restores phone audio. If you want more control, open Google Home to tweak resolution, enable guest mode, or rename devices for faster reconnects. If connection fails, power cycle the TV, phone, and router. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and disable VPNs. Key troubleshooting tip: reboot the router and switch bands. Many intermittent issues resolve by moving phone and TV to the same 5 GHz.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.